Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2020 Ram ProMaster 2500 rear entry mobility van. Stock number on it is CP17126T. It is bright white in color. It's got fog lamps down low, 17-inch wheels. Nice tires on there, Nexen rubber. It's got sturdy running boards, privacy glass all around the rear. Around back, you've got a Bronze Century dual post lift that has an 800-pound capacity weight limit on it. It also has the lights on there to light up the rear, if you can see here. So at night you got some visibility. Let's take a look here. You got the controller here. We can raise it up and go on up. And once you're inside, it's got 3 jump seats. They are on smart bases, so you can pull these red levers down here and you can pull them out. You can rearrange the seating. You can move them to whatever works for you. You also have your Q-string tie downs are up here along with your shoulder straps. So you can literally lock the wheelchair down anywhere in this floor back here. So you can fit up to 5 chairs in here if you really wanted to. So it's pretty cool setup, very modular, will accommodate any of your needs. It's got a rear HVAC system, so your rear passengers can stay comfortable. Up front, you have a 5-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio. The steering wheel has your hand controls for your Bluetooth phone calls. You can answer your phone, make phone calls, read your voicemail, all that right there from your steering wheel. Power mirrors, windows and locks. You got overhead storage up here. And up top you have your controls for your rear HVAC system. Large sliding door here, so makes easy entry and exit. Again, big sturdy running board, nice grab handle here. This thing has all the amenities you're looking for non-emergency medical transport. Again, we're looking at stock number 17126T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit us at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, where you can give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.